In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your calendar in Calendly. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to get a better handle on your schedule, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to navigate your calendar with ease. Calendly is a powerful tool for managing your availability, setting up meetings, and keeping track of events. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident reviewing your schedule, customizing your calendar view, and staying on top of your commitments. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. The first step is to log into your Calendly account. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll arrive at the homepage. This is essentially your central hub and the starting point for accessing all of the features that Calendly has to offer. From here, you can navigate to every section of the platform, so it's important to get familiar with this space. Next, look to the left-hand side of your screen here. You'll find the Sidebar. It's a vertical menu that gives you quick access to various sections of your account. Once you've located the sidebar, click on the section labeled Availability. This is the area where you can manage your schedule and adjust your availability settings. It's a key part of keeping your calendar organized and ensuring you're accessible at the right times. Now, within the Availability section, shift your focus to the right-hand corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Calendar. Go ahead and click on that. This step takes you directly to the calendar page where all your schedules and events are displayed. Think of this as your personal control center for planning and reviewing your time. Once the calendar page loads, you'll see a comprehensive view of all your active events. This page is designed to give you a clear picture of your upcoming days, weeks, or even months. Take a moment to look at the layout. You'll notice that events and appointments are marked with colored blocks, and the dates and times are clearly labeled. This visual organization makes it easy to see what's coming up and where you have open slots. As you explore the calendar, pay attention to the navigation tools at the top or side of the page. These tools allow you to switch between daily, weekly, and monthly views. For example, if you're planning for the short term, the daily or weekly view might be more useful. On the other hand, if you're mapping out a longer-term project or vacation, the monthly view can give you a broader perspective. Switching between these views is a great way to enhance flexibility and improve your planning process. Now that you've gotten a feel for the basic layout, take some time to explore the additional features that Calendly's calendar offers. Depending on your needs, you might find tools for filtering events, customizing time zones, or even adjusting notification settings. These extra options are there to make your scheduling experience as smooth and productive as possible, so don't hesitate to try them out. And there you have it. In this video, we covered how to log in, navigate to your calendar, and use the tools available to view and manage your schedule in Calendly. By following these steps, you'll be able to stay organized, plan effectively, and make the most of your time. If you have any questions or want to share how you use Calendly, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.